Everyone, actually, hello trade boosters. Welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to trade with the Nadaraya Watson indicator. This is another variation, and the reason why I can't put all these videos into one, because it will overwhelm a lot of people, so I prefer to break them down into each videos. That way it's enough for you to take in. Now let me show you guys how to trade. This method is quite different from the rest because it has no other confluence apart from multi-time frame. There is no other indicator or tool, just multi-time frame, right? So I'm going to show you guys something. So it's pretty much multi-time frame analysis, right? So you're going to start from the daily time frame, right? As such, the daily time frame. Now, when price touches the Watson, let's say this is the most recent time price touched the Watson. You see price touched the Watson indicator on the daily time frame. You want to drop to your 4-hour time frame, go to that zone. As you can see, price also has to touch it on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see there, price touched it. Now you want to scale down. Scaling down because this is not our entry time frame. We're going to go to our 1 hour. Let's hope I find it. Yeah, there we go. So you want to wait for price to, obviously this is the zone right here. Now the Watson does not show data from this date because it's quite far back, but you do need to wait for price to break out of the Watson on this time frame. Then ideally I would say this is where price must have broken out, because it is a spike and an immediate fall back in. Then you want to get in, and the good thing about this strategy, so you're going to get in on the 4-hour, then you're going to get in on the 1 hour time frame, and you go back to your daily time frame. And on the daily time frame you can target, I'll say target this most recent low right here. That's only if you are a little bit ambitious. Target most recent low, that is a nice 1 to 7. And you can go back to the 1 hour time frame, and you notice that it is quite a ride. I won't lie. So you notice it's quite far down. So yeah, that's how to use multi-time frame. This is a little bit more complicated. Not my best strategy, to be honest, with Nadaraya Watson indicator, but this is one of the strategies that you can add as a confluence when using this indicator. Thanks for watching, trade boosters, and I'll see you in the next one.